Hi, my name is Mike Mitchell, and today I'd like to tell you how to make a great trade show booth. In any sort of marketing plan, you're most likely going to go to trade shows or conferences or events where you can display your goods or services among a whole crowd of other people selling similar items. And you want to somehow stand out from the rest so that the potential customers will come to your booth instead of to somebody else's. Now, at a trade show, you don't necessarily need to have the biggest, most expensive booth in order to attract customers and attention, but you do need to have a couple of basic items. Number one, you need to have generally a good location. And this doesn't have to be the biggest booth again, but if you're in a good location, a small booth works just as well, because generally if you're near the entrance or near some sort of common meeting area, like maybe the food court or some other general meeting point within the entire trade show, these are good locations so that you're not buried in the back in an aisle or in a row that somebody doesn't normally come to. Number two, you need to have a colorful, inviting booth. Basically, this comes down to decoration. Nobody wants to go to a boring, drab booth that looks like nothing's going on. So any way that you can to attract the attention of people walking by is basically good decoration. So having bright posters, having colorful plants, good lighting, almost anything that you can think of that would make a home or an office inviting works just as well with a trade booth. Number three, you want to have good traffic flow. And what I mean by this is once you get a large number of people standing in front of your booth, you need to be able to give them information and collect information from them in a quick and efficient manner so that they can move on and you can get new customers. If everybody in the front is bunched in front of your booth and nobody behind them can see what's going on, most likely they'll leave and go on to somebody else. So these 3 points are a good start for developing a trade show booth, and once you get going and experiment, you'll find out which areas work the best for you.